Please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get latest videos update.
Hey guys, this is Suva and you are watching Best Learn and Earn. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can install this Niki application and uses of this application. So let's get started. First you have to open the description box of this video and click on the link of the Niki application. Then defaultly it is going to Play Store and click on the install button, then accept button. Now this application is starting to download in your smart device. After the completion of download, it is installing in your smartphone. Then you have to click on the open button.
Hello friend, you have tuned Best Plan and I am Sugar. I am requesting to you, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos update. Thank you.
Now download is completed and it is installing. After the installation, now I'm going to click on open. This process is sign up process. I am going to input my mobile number, then click on the arrow button. OTP will verify my number and register a new account on Niki application. You have to remember that if your SIM is not imported in your smartphone, then you have to input your OTP by manual method. If your SIM card is in your smart device, then OTP will verify your Niki account automatically. Now you have to input your name and email address. Then you have to enter the referral code. The referral code is Avinash973, AVINASH. Then you have to choose your email, then click on the finish button. Friends, don't forget to input referral link Avinash973. Hey guys, now your Niki application is ready to use. Now we will learn how to recharge from Niki application. Open this Niki application again and click on recharge button. Then input your mobile number which you want to recharge, like this. I am inputting my phone number and then I am clicking on arrow button. Now Niki application asking me what is the operator and the region of my number. After the submission of my, they are asking me of amount. After the amount, they are giving me lots of payment option like Amazon Pay, Freecharge, PhonePe, Paytm, PayZapp, debit card and pay online. So friends, you have watched this new application. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed this video. If you like this, then please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.